Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to your Wix account. So let's get right into it. As you can see, you'll need to set your password once you go into your account options, into your account settings, and that's literally all you have to do first. Once you're at your dashboard, go into your account settings and set a password. For example, I'll set this one. It doesn't really matter what it is, like so. Just save that password right there. And as you can see, all I did was just go here and click on account settings and got here. Then you want to go into domains. Once you're here, you're going to click on set an existing domain or connect an existing domain. As you can see, click connect a domain you already own. And you do need to update your site with a premium plan to connect your domain. I don't have that. But once you do this, let me just go to this tutorial. As you can see, you'll need to connect a domain you already own. Select the site and then click next. Enter the domain name and then review the information on the screen and click start. And that's going to connect your domain. After that, you're going to need to update the name servers in your domain host account on GoDaddy. I don't know exactly how to do it. You can check this Help Center article out for that, but that is pretty much how you can do this. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.